Hey guys, we back with another video. Today I'll be showing you how I create a top knot bun with braiding hair. This client will be also getting 2 front bangs in the front. You always want to start with clean hair and make sure that it's detangled. And then you want to go ahead and start a silk press. I don't like to go over the hair more than 1 time, sometimes 2 max. Once that is done, you want to go ahead and section for your front bangs. Once you have that in place, you want to go ahead and start molding. You're going to take your holding spray or your spritz and start spraying it into the hair. Then you're going to brush the hair until you get the hair into the desired place. You're going to take your blow dryer and you're going to start molding the hair upward. Next, you're going to take your braiding hair and you're going to add it to the natural hair of the ponytail. Once the hair is attached, I like to go through and brush the hair so there's no kinks when I get ready to start twisting the hair. Make sure you leave a piece out to wrap around at the end. Now you're going to twist the braiding hair and the natural hair all into one, and you're going to start to wrap it around. You're going to wrap the hair until you start getting the desired bun that you want. Once you have the desired look, you're going to go ahead and spray it with some holding spray to keep the flyaways down. Now you're going to take the piece that you left out and you're going to wrap it around for the base. Spray some holding spray on these two to keep it in place. And then you're going to blow dry it. Make sure that this part is completely dry. And here's the final look of the top knot bun with 2 bangs. I hope you enjoyed. See y'all later. Bye.